a really good hash brown recipe, almost like McDonald's. And so it's really easy. I've shredded some potatoes. I dab them a little bit with a napkin. You can go either or. I like to season my potatoes first before I put the cornstarch in. So it's got salt, black pepper, and garlic. And I'm just gonna put some in. A little bit goes a long ways. You don't need a whole bunch. I'm just doing like a half spoonful of cornstarch. You could do them by hand, but I found that they kind of break a lot easier in the pan once you start frying them. So I found it easier if you put them in maybe a small measuring cup. I just realized I have a smaller one, so I'm gonna switch it over to the smaller one. It's all mushed in. Okay. And you can just shape it kind of like the McDonald's hash browns. Alright, so this is the hash brown that's done. They are so crispy. It only took about a minute and a half on each side. Just crispy on all ends. It is so soft inside. Alright, so that was an easy hash brown for you to make. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your breakfast.